Hello everyone, welcome you on Cool Excel. Today I am going to show you the use of sum formula. Let's dive in. This is example 1. It's showing you the revenue of January, February and March and the taka of these 3 months. And this is the 3 months revenue. We want to find the total of this 3 months revenue. Let's come to this cell and press equal sign from your keyboard and press this cell, that is January revenue, and press plus sign from your keyboard and select the February's revenue, press plus sign, and then March revenue and press enter from your keyboard. This is your sum of this 3 months revenue. It's quite easy to do it, but if you want to make the sum sum from this data, it will be hard for you, because if you need to add these 12 cells together, then you need to press enter from your keyboard to get the sum amount, but it will be time consuming one. So how can we do this by a quicker mode? Let's come to this total button, total cell area, and we are going to find the total of our revenue amount of this 12 months. Let's come to this cell and we are going to use auto sum formula. We can do this. Let's come to this cell and press home tab and come to this auto sum drop down list and press sum from and choose sum, and this is your sum range. The dancing area will be your sum range. You can decrease the area or you can increase your area to make the sum and press enter from your keyboard. This will be your sum amount and it's working well. This example was vertical and we are going to see another one which is horizontal, and come to this example 3, and this is your revenue of January, February, March, April, May and June. We are going to find the total of this 6 months revenue. How can I do that? By using auto sum. Let's have a look. Let's come to this cell and press equal sign. Let's come to this cell and press home tab and from auto sum choose sum. Wow, it's working well. The area is horizontal, and if you want to reduce the area, then you need to click this square button and press your left button from mouse and drag it to right to decrease the area and left to increase your sum range, and press enter from your keyboard. This will be your sum amount. We can do this by using our keyboard shortcut, and for do this, first of all we need to delete this amount and come to this total button and press alt equal from your keyboard. This is keyboard shortcut, alt equal. This will be your sum range and press enter from your keyboard. Okay, it's working well. Okay, let's come to example 4, and from example 4 we are going to find the total expense of this 9 months revenue. Then come to this total sales button, and press equal sign from your keyboard and write here from your keyboard sum, SUM, and this will show you the formula related with SU or S, and then press tab to choose this sum formula. Press tab from your keyboard. Okay, we're just choosing sum, and it's going to be showing that number 1, number 2, that is, it's showing you that you can add many amount whatever you want. Then you need to choose the number 1, that is number 1 will be your sum range. Yes, we are going to choose our sum range. This will be your sum range, and press close parenthesis and press enter from your keyboard. This will be your sum amount of this 9th department revenue. Okay, let's come to example 5. We are going to this data set. We need to find the total amount of 3 months revenue of department 1, department 2 and department 3 through department 9, and we are going to find the total amount of January, February and March. Okay, How can you do that? Let's come to this cell of department 1 and press Alt equal from your keyboard. This will be your sum range, and press enter from your keyboard to make sum of these three amount. Okay, it's working well. Yes, we can copy this formula to our down cell. How can you do that? Let's click on your cell, and when the angry rabbit cursor or the slim cursor will come here, press your left button from mouse and drag it to downward, and this will show you your total amount or sum amount of these departments expenses. And come to the last formula and press F2 from your keyboard to show the formula. Wow, it's working well. The sum amount will combine of these 3 months expenses, and press enter. Wow, it's working well. Now we want to find the total of January, February and March. How can we do that? Then come to this total cell and press Alt equal from your keyboard, or you can use the sum formula by writing this formula here, and press enter from your keyboard to have your sum amount. Okay, this is our sum amount. If you want the sum amount of these two cells, you need to copy this formula here by when angry rabbit cursor or slim cursor is coming here, then copy the formula to left by pressing your left button from your mouse and drag this formula to right and left it here. Wow, this is working well. And come to the last cell and press double click from your mouse or press F2 from your keyboard to show the formula. What will be your sum range? Wow, it's working well, it's working perfectly. And press enter to show the sum amount. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next class.